Millions of people are doing everything right and still ending up broke. They study hard, get the degree, land the high-paying job, and yet every single month, their bank account tells the same story. Where did it all go? Now here's something that should stop you cold. Even people earning $200,000 a year are living paycheck to paycheck. Let that sink in. So here's the uncomfortable question. How is it possible that someone earning $200,000 feels just as stuck as someone earning $40,000? Because if income was the answer, they wouldn't. But they do, which means something else is happening. Something invisible. A trap so normal, you don't even realize you're in it. And if you don't see it soon, you won't just lose money. You'll lose years of your life. Picture this. It's the end of the month. You open your banking app, but before it even loads, you already feel it. That hesitation, that quiet anxiety, because deep down you already know the number. Your salary came in, you didn't waste it, you didn't gamble it, you didn't do anything stupid, and still, it's gone. Gone. Completely gone. Not on luxury, just life, rent, bills, food, subscriptions, a few small things. Nothing crazy, and yet nothing left. So you tell yourself what almost everyone says. I just need to make more money. Sounds logical. Sounds responsible. Sounds completely wrong. Because here's the truth most people never realize. More money doesn't fix the problem. It upgrades it. A higher income doesn't change your habits. It amplifies them. A bigger paycheck becomes a better apartment. As a newer phone, more eating out, more comfort, more I deserve this. And slowly, without noticing, your life expands to consume everything you earn. This is called lifestyle inflation. And it's one of the most dangerous financial traps in the modern world because it doesn't feel like failure. It feels like progress. But here's where it gets dangerous. Your salary is the most addictive trap you'll ever fall into. The more you earn, the more you build a life that depends on it. More income, more expenses, more pressure, more dependence. And the worst part, the more successful your life looks, the more fragile it actually becomes. And if you don't fix this, your future is already predictable. There's a difference between making money and building wealth. Making money requires your time. You stop working, it stops. Wealth works even when you don't. That difference is the line between being stuck and being free. Let me show you exactly how this plays out. Two people, same city, same degree, same starting salary, same opportunity, but one decision changes everything. Ali gets his first paycheck. Relief, pride, validation. So he celebrates a new car, clean, fast, impressive. The payment feels manageable, and everyone else is doing it, so it feels right. Hassan makes a different decision. He buys a used car, nothing special, no one notices. But here's what no one sees. Every month, Hassan invests the difference, quietly, consistently, no applause, no validation. Year 1, nothing changes. Ali looks successful. Hassan looks average. Year 3, Ali upgrades his apartment. More comfort, more status. Hassan, still investing, still consistent. Year 5, Ali's life looks perfect, but internally, something shifts. Expenses grow. Pressure grows. Now he doesn't just want his job, he needs it. Hassan, his investments are growing, slowly, quietly, but consistently. Year 7, the company downsizes. Ali loses his job. And suddenly, everything flips. The payments don't stop. The bills don't pause. Life doesn't wait. For the first time, Ali isn't thinking about success. He's thinking about survival. And then it hits him. He built a life he can't afford to lose. Hassan feels pressure too. But he has something different. Options, time, breathing room. Because while Ali was upgrading his lifestyle, Hassan was upgrading his freedom. Year 10. The difference is undeniable. Ali is still trading time for money. Hassan's money is working, growing, compounding. Now pause. Be honest. Which path are you on right now? People don't become broke overnight. They become broke slowly, through small decisions repeated every day. Spending a little more, waiting a little longer, choosing status over ownership. And the scary part, Most people watching this will do nothing and stay stuck for the next 10 years. Most people don't retire. They just run out of time. Imagine being 45 and realizing you have to start from zero, and the worst part, by then, it's almost too late to fix it. So here's a simple system. Spend less than you earn, always. Invest at least 10%, even if it feels uncomfortable. Kill lifestyle inflation. Buy assets first. Question everything else. Stay consistent for years. If you keep living exactly like you are today, where will you be in 5 years? Because people don't drift into wealth, they drift into stress. Money was never about luxury. It was always about one thing, freedom. So the next time you're about to spend money, pause and ask yourself, is this making me look rich or actually become rich? Because your future isn't built in one decision. It's built in thousands. Every day, every month, every year, and one day, if you get this right, you'll realize something powerful. You're not broke because you don't make enough. You're broke because you were trained to spend everything you earn. And if this changed how you see money, then you're not just watching this anymore. You're becoming someone who plays a completely different financial game.